what if I told you that you can find $1,000 a day product in just 10 minutes? In just 10 minutes, all thanks to AI. Sounds crazy, right? I know. But guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I will be using Seller-Trend to demonstrate a powerful method, and I've got something special for you. There's going to be a link in the description to a 14-day free trial to Seller-Trend so you can follow along without spending a single dime. And to prove it to you that this works, there are screenshots on your screen. These are from our users who have already seen great results by using this exact strategy. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's dive in. Alright guys, so here we are on the dashboard of Seller-Trend. Now, on the left side of the screen, we have a variety of tools. Now, all these tools can help us to find winning products, but for this video, I'm going to be using Nexus AI products. Now, this tool, guys, it uses AI to find winning products for us. So every product that is on this filter, on this feature, actually has a lot of data back in it. Now, the best part is that we have a lot of filters here as well, which can also make sure that we can find products really easily. We don't have to do a lot of manual research. Now, I'm going to be clicking on the Father's Day. That's our first filter. Now, once I click on it, it's going to show me all the products that can be sold, on the Father's Day, or these products complements the niche, the Father's Day. And then the Pride month as well. Simply click on it if you want to sell something that is related to the Pride month. And then the coolest filter here is the tariff free. Now, once you click on this filter, guys, it's going to show you all the products that have suppliers based in the states, that are based locally. So faster shipping times, no tariff problems, no custom problems. Your customer will be able to get his product in like 3 to 7 days. So this is a really, really cool filter to use. Now, we also have a trending filter as well. This filter is going to show you all the products that are trending in the market. Yes, guys, trending in the market based on the real data. This is where AI comes into play. We also have high orders as well, because, guys, remember, every product that is trending doesn't mean it has high orders. So if you want to look at the products that are getting a lot of orders, you can simply click on high orders, and now it's going to show you all the products that has high orders. Now, the coolest part is that it's also going to give you the information as well. For example, the orders, the daily chart, the sales, each and everything is going to be there. And guys, the best part is also going to show you the suppliers as well. For example, this product, it actually sourced from the Europe, right? It's going to show you all these different details, so you can go ahead and make an informed decision. Now, having said that, we have another filter here. It's actually one of my favorite ones, the high profit margin. Remember, guys, when Trump launched the tariff war, this was the filter that I used, because every product that is on this filter has high, insane profit margins that I can definitely try to sell within the states. Now, we also have some other filters as well. For example, the top in states. This was actually one of my favorite ones as well. So I'm going to click on clear all, and then I'm going to click on top in states. Okay, here we are, top in states. So these are all the products that are performing really, really good in the United States market, guys. One of the biggest marketplaces in the world. So I would definitely recommend, if you want to try to sell in the US, try using Nexus AI products and try using this filter. It's definitely going to help you a lot. Now, these are all the filters that are given to us by Seller-Trend, of course, by default. But I'm also going to show you how you can use these filters to kind of make your product research a lot easier. So let's dive into that. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and find ourselves our winning product. So okay, so there's another filter here. Essentially, to click on more filters. Now, this is where things change. This is where you get all the power that you can use to find yourself the products that you want to see, right? For example, I want to look at the products that are top in, states, United States, right? So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click on Nexus AI, right? And then product type can be general. I'm going to just click on Dropshipping Verify. And then I'm going to click on apply filters. Now it's going to automatically apply the filters. So it's going to only show me the products that are, relevant to me, to my filters, of course. Now this is also a very, very cool way to find winning products. There's something else extra that I like to do is I like to click on ships from the United States fast and apply. Now it's going to show me all the products that are based in states. Their suppliers are based in states, and they will give me a way faster shipping than as compared to the Chinese one. So this is a very, very cool way to get ahead of your competition as well. Now, we also have a search bar here as well. For example, nowadays, guys, the red light, therapy, or all these different products are really, really doing well. So, for example, if I want to search red light, let's do that. Let's clear everything up, and let's search red light. So let's click on it. Now it's going to show me different products that are, that have this keyword in them, red light. Okay. So also, it depends on you. If you own a beauty store, then you can sort of come here and say search like face, or or beauty products. It depends on you, but I am looking for a general product, any product basically. So what I do is I look around and I look at different products, and I also see the fulfillment options as well. So I can get this product from Europe, from Spain, of course, and then France. That's really cool. So no Chinese shipping. That's gonna avoid the tariffs and everything else. That's really cool. So this is how I like to use this little. So for example, let's go ahead and find red light points. Okay, so here we are. We have different products here. We have okay. And guys, remember, red light products are doing really, really well. And the reason for that is, guys, the winter is over. The season is gone now. The summer is here, and a lot of people, they tend to really take care of skin in this season. So make sure, if you are selling, of course, in the beauty niche, then I would definitely recommend to start selling these red light products. They are bringing a lot of sales, and they are profitable as well because of the high perceived value. Right. So let me go ahead and find some good product. So of course, something that matches with my store's identity as well. So we got a couple of red light products here. This one is actually very, very good and has done really, really well for me in the past. This also, it was a great product. Now we have a couple of different products. Okay, so after about 2 minutes of research, I found this cool product. It's actually an infrared sauna blanket. Guys, the reason that I picked this product is because of this infrared technology, the red light technology, because it is in the market for a long time and it is still creating a lot of buzz. Second thing is that, guys, the product doesn't look cheap. It is a high perceived value, which is really, really good. And third, of course, is the usage. It has a real life usage. You can get sauna anywhere you want, maybe in your hotel, maybe if you're traveling somewhere, maybe if you're hiking somewhere, anywhere. It's very, very easy to use. So there's a lot of marketing angle that we can definitely use with this product. And the last thing is, guys, just the usage of this product. The product doesn't look cheap. It has a higher perceived value, meaning that we can sell it at a good profit margin. And that is exactly what we want, guys. We want to sell products that have a higher profit margins, because that is just going to make us profitable in the longer run. Now, let's go ahead and find the real data about this product. Now, the orders chart is actually going up. So that's really cool. Now, the data itself is really, really good as well. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on see Facebook ads to kind of see how many ads are being run on this type of product. So let's do that. So here we are on Facebook's ad library, and we can see some suppliers, some sellers are actually trying to sell this product. So it's actually a newer product. It's not an old product. You can see different sellers here. Okay, so it's definitely in the market. It's not saturated, which is very good for us, but it's definitely there. So the data speaks for itself that this is a new product and we can definitely start to sell this. And the good thing about this product is that it has a high perceived value. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the selling stores for this one. So let's do that. We check the competitors page. So guys, here we are at our competitors page, and this guy's actually selling it for 776 euros. That's a very, very good price. I think he is actually made a branded product as well. I really love the product page. He has all the reviews, he has everything, even the testimonials, the images, everything is just mentioned there, and the product images look really nice and really, really clean, super branded. It's really cool. That's why he's selling it for this crazy price. Now, what can we do next? Well, let's go ahead and copy this is actually one of the coolest tools to use in SellerTrend. I'm going to copy our competitor's link, right? I'm going to go back to SellerTrend. So let me actually go back to SellerTrend. I'm going to click on Spy Tools. This is how you can really get to know that if a product is working for your competitor or no. Just simply copy the product, your competitor's link, paste it here into the Spy Tools, Store Intelligence, and click on Search. Now the magic is going to happen. Okay, here we are. Okay, this guy is actually making a lot of money. The monthly traffic is crazy. The average price is also very good. Monthly orders, everything is good. Now, if I actually scroll down, it's going to show me the best selling products. And look at this, guys. Our infrared sauna blanket is actually there. That means that this guy is actually making a lot of money with this very product. Now, we have the latest products here as well. So if you want to add some of the latest products, you can do that. But if you want to add the best selling products, then sure, go ahead and add all these products to try to test these products. But this one is actually creating a lot of buzz for our competitor. And that is exactly what we want. We want this product to create buzz for us as well. Now that we know that this guy is actually selling this product and is making a lot of money by this product, as you can see, the data is, everything is just there. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to go to Google Trends, and I'm going to see that if I can actually find the trends there. So let's do that. All right, so here we are at Google Trends, and I've searched infrared sauna blanket. The location is States for the past 12 months, and as you guys can see, the interest over time is definitely there. Now we can go ahead and do something different. We can say something like, sauna blanket. Let's see. how is the week. Okay, definitely it is there. People are definitely searching it. Let's say for the past 90 days, so we can look at it. Okay, past 90 days, the data is definitely going up. And if we look at, if we actually scroll down, we'll get different heatable, heat healer, infrared sauna blanket. So definitely people are definitely trying to find these kind of amazing products. So our product definitely has good data. Now there's something else that I want to show you, and it's really cool. Let's head over back to Sell the Trend. Okay, so we are back on Sell the Trend, and this was our product, as you can remember. Now I'm going to click on find on Amazon. And the reason why I do that is because once I click on Amazon, it's going to take me to Amazon. And look at this, guys. 700 plus bought in the past month, 200 plus bought in the past month, 100 plus bought in the past month. So definitely people are trying to buy this very product. Now, the good thing is that there's not a lot of competition. As you guys can see, these products don't have a lot of crazy reviews. There's not a lot of crazy sellers that have a lot of competition going on. So which is really good. And the selling price is actually very good as well. So this means that this product definitely has good number of people buying it. So we have the data backing it up. That's why I love Nexus AI, because it shows you the product that have, good amount of data backing, the products up. Okay, now that we know that this product is actually doing good on Amazon as well, and it's not very saturated, it's actually time for us to look at the supplier for this product. So simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Nexus AI actually. I'm going to click on suppliers, and there we are, guys. We have 2 suppliers given to us. I'm going to click on these suppliers. So here we are, guys, at our suppliers page. And the best part is, guys, you can get this product sourced from within the States. You don't have to wait for your Chinese supplier to ship the product from mainland China to your customer in the States. No, you don't have to do that. Don't have to worry about that, because we have a supplier that is actually based in United States. And that's really cool. Okay. So if I actually scroll down, I want to show you guys the images. Okay, we have to put images as well. And overall, I think this is a very cool product, and we can sell it at a very healthy profit margin. We can definitely do that. If we can get this product for $198, $199, we can definitely sell it at $399. So that is going to be giving us a very good profit margin as well. Shipping is actually going to be free. So the selling price can actually be $399, which will leave us with a profit margin of $200 plus, almost $200 plus, which is exactly what we want. Now, and by the way, guys, the link will be in the description to a 14-day free trial. So if you want to add this product to your store, let me show you how. Go back to Nexus AI, simple, add to store. And guys, simply everything is going to be there. And if you don't have a store yet, okay, no worries, because with the help of Sell Trend, you can create your store using AI in just 30 seconds or 30 seconds. Just one click is going to take. It's so easy to use. So if you don't have a store yet, go ahead and create your store. Link is already in the description. 14-day free trial is going to be given to you, so you can create your store for free as well, guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and pick my store. So this is my store. Now we have the description as well. Simply click on generate using AI. If you don't like the description that is given to you by the Chinese supplier, you can click on generate using AI, and you can generate your description according to you. For example, I want to say that my goal is as your product description. Simply click on generate. Look at this, guys. The AI is again generating the description. So that is how Sell the Trend has implemented AI into product research, into product, pushing it to the store and everything, even the store creation as well, making your lives easier. Now, with that being said, our description is done. I'm going to click on push to store. And let me show you exactly how much time it takes. It's actually important to, and that's it. It's done, guys. It's literally done. Now I'm going to click on view the product. Here we are, guys. Look at this. The product page itself is done. Everything is done. The color is done. The ship from the description, everything is done and dusted for you in literally seconds. That is how you can use Nexus AI to find yourself winning products. But not only that, guys, you can add those products to your store with just a single click. Remember, guys, the link will be in the description to a 14-day free trial. Everything that I showed you is completely free. So go ahead and use your 14-day free trial, find amazing products, create your store for completely free, and enjoy Sell the Trend out. Alright, guys, so that is it for our video. Now, if you want to discover top 10 friendly products to sell in the month of June 2025, then you can go ahead and watch our next video right over here. Keep investing, keep making those sales, guys. I'll see you in the next video.